Okay guys, so today's video is going to be on the increase of YouTubers jumping to Twitch at the same time as doing their YouTube channel. Granted, they have a lot of extra time. The ones that are doing it are the larger YouTubers, so they've got a lot more spare time in between what they do for a living being YouTube, so they can effectively transition to Twitch, no bother. And they have the fan base that will switch over and watch with them. I myself have had two Twitch channels, one of which I done quite a lot of gaming on. The other one was sort of an art stream, more of the sort of traditional route of things. However, due to work and time restraints, etc., I have not really been able to continue doing the gaming side of things. I also don't really spend that much money on games anymore. It's much more on camera equipment, etc. So yeah, like I was saying, the switch of big YouTubers going over onto the Twitch gaming live streaming platform. I know for a fact the likes of Casey Neistat, Jesse from the Boyfriend vs Girlfriend prank channel, he's on it. Jake Paul just recently announced that he's going on to it, and a whole host of other YouTubers.